Ever feel like your brain has a million tabs open and you can't figure out which one is playing music? You're trying to focus on a task, but suddenly you're thinking about that weird dream you had last night, what you need to buy at the grocery store, and whether you locked the car this morning. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. It's a feeling many people are talking about lately, and it often gets linked to one thing: ADHD. But what exactly is ADHD in adults? And why does it seem like everyone suddenly relates to it? Let's dive into the psychology behind it. ADHD, or Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, isn't just about kids bouncing off the walls. In adults, it looks very different. It's less about the hyperactivity you can see and more about what's happening inside the mind. The core of it comes down to challenges with something called executive functions. Think of executive functions as the CEO of your brain. They're in charge of planning, organizing, starting tasks, managing your time, and controlling your impulses. When these functions aren't working as smoothly as they should, life can feel chaotic. You might struggle with procrastination, not because you're lazy, but because the sheer thought of starting a big project is overwhelming. Your brain just doesn't know where to begin. Or maybe you're constantly losing your keys, forgetting appointments, or interrupting people without meaning to. This isn't a character flaw, it's your brain's CEO being a little disorganized. Another key piece of the puzzle is dopamine, the brain's feel-good chemical. Research suggests that people with ADHD may have a different dopamine reward system. Your brain might be constantly seeking stimulation to get that dopamine hit. This explains why you might get hyper-focused on something you find genuinely interesting, like a new hobby or a video game, for hours on end, but struggle to focus for even 5 minutes on a boring but important task. This is often called hyperfocus, and it's the lesser-known flip side of the attention deficit coin. So, why does it feel like ADHD is everywhere now? There are a few reasons. First, awareness has skyrocketed. Thanks to social media and people sharing their experiences, the conversation has opened up. We're moving past the old stereotypes. Many adults, especially women, are realizing their lifelong struggles with anxiety, disorganization, or feeling overwhelmed might be explained by undiagnosed ADHD. It often presents differently in women, with more inattentiveness and internal restlessness, rather than outward hyperactivity. Second, our modern world is practically designed to challenge our executive functions. We're constantly bombarded with notifications, emails, and an endless stream of information. Our attention is being pulled in 100 different directions at once. So, for someone who already has a predisposition to distraction, today's environment can make those challenges much more noticeable. It's like trying to listen to one conversation in the middle of a loud rock concert. It's important to remember, though, that relating to some of these symptoms doesn't automatically mean you have ADHD. We all have moments of forgetfulness or distraction. The difference with ADHD is that these challenges are persistent. They've been present since childhood, and they significantly impact multiple areas of your life, like your work, your relationships, and your self-esteem. If this all sounds incredibly familiar and you feel like it's holding you back, it's worth talking to a professional. A proper diagnosis can be life-changing, providing access to strategies, therapies, and support that can help you manage the challenges and harness the unique strengths that often come with an ADHD brain, like creativity, problem-solving, and resilience. Understanding the psychology behind adult ADHD helps us see it not as a deficit, but as a different way of brain wiring. It's about learning to work with your brain, not against it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more content that helps make sense of our minds. See you in the next one.